Welcome everyone! Today you will learn how to embed Behance content in WordPress using the EmbedPress plugin so you can showcase your creative work directly on your site. Make sure you have installed and activated EmbedPress. Now we will show how to embed Behance content in Gutenberg. Open the page where you want to show your Behance post. Click the plus icon on the section where you want to embed your Behance content, then search for EmbedPress and select it. Next, you need the Behance link you want to embed. Open Behance and go to the specific post you want to add to your WordPress site. Click the share icon there and you will see the copy link option. Click the copy link and your post link will be ready to use. Go back to your WordPress page, paste the link inside the EmbedPress field, and then tap Embed. Your Behance post will appear instantly in that section. You can adjust the width and height of your post control branding and settings and enable content protection based on your preferences. When you are happy with the look, click Publish in the top right corner. After publishing your page, it is time to check how it looks on the front end. You can now see your Behance post beautifully embedded in Gutenberg. Now we will show how to embed Behance content in Elementor. Open your Elementor editor and choose the section where you want to embed your Behance post. From the left sidebar, search for EmbedPress, then drag and drop the widget into that section. Keep the source name as the default and paste the same Behance link inside the embedded link box. Your Behance content will be previewed in that area. In the settings, you can control content protection and enable social sharing options so visitors can interact with your work. From the Style tab, you can customize width, height, margin, padding, and alignment to match your page design. When everything looks good, tap Publish. After publishing, it is time to see the live result. You can now see your Behance post perfectly embedded on your Elementor page. Next, we will embed a Behance post from the Classic editor. Open the Classic editor and place your cursor exactly where you want your Behance content to appear. Paste the copied Behance post link in that area, then click Publish. On the Publish page, you will see your Behance content embedded and ready for your visitors. That is how you can publish your Behance content using Gutenberg, Elementor, and the Classic editor with EmbedPress. If this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WordPress tips and tricks.